रिश्वत हो जहाँ, बात रहे जनता की जेबे वतन के दुश्मन को जहाँ, सच के ऊपर झूठ का दिन दिन बढ़ता जाता रोज जहाँ, जागते रहना है नेताओं खतरा चारो जहाँ, नहीं चलेगा काम दोस्तों केवल जय जयकारों से, संभल के रहना अपने घर में छुपे हुए वक्तारों से, कहनी है एक बात हमें इस देश के पहरेदारों से, संभल के रहना अपने घर में छुपे हुए वक्तारों से।
What's up internet, this is your host and host Dynamo Rider. First of all, happy Republic Day to all my Indian friends and my Indian subscribers. Today is a sad day for me. The reason being, I was out on a ride today with my buddies from Bangalore Bikers, but I'm facing a lot of issue with my bike. Recently I flushed my coolant and I changed the the seals and all that, the fuel pump seals and all that, but then I'm facing a lot of issue with high temperature, high coolant temperature. So if you look at me right now, my bike is turned off. I'm just because it's a downhill, I'm just letting my bike roll, and I'm in neutral. But then I will show you in a moment. The moment I turn the bike on and I just I try to move, the moment I pass 5000 rpm, the bike shows high coolant temperature and it doesn't want to go. So yeah, for example, I'm going to start my bike now. So for now it doesn't show the error message that of high coolant temperature. So now I'm in second gear, third gear, 40 kilometers, fourth gear. See, my temperature bar is almost at 80%, more than that, maybe almost at 90%. So I'm cruising at 60 kilometers, 70 kilometers per hour. Just give me a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you how it shows the high coolant temperature and the bike shuts off. I'm not sure what's wrong with the bike. I'm not sure what is the issue with the coolant thing. But then whatever it is, KTM, if you're listening, KTM India, you gotta fix it. And I'm not the only one. I have heard this problem from a lot of other riders, and all of them, like most of the guys who has a 390 have faced the same issue sometime or the other. So yeah, I would request KTM, if they're listening, do something about it. This has been a problem with all your Duke 390s, the coolant issue. So yeah, so let's say, so now see, it's stuttering already. The moment I pass 5000 rpm, the bike starts to stutter. I'm in fifth gear, 70 kilometers. See, now it shows high coolant temperature, and that's it. The bike doesn't want to go anywhere. And see, the bike shuts off itself. If you can see, high coolant temperature it shows, and the bike is off. I cannot do anything now. So I just have to wait for another couple of minutes till the bike cools down and the temperature comes down below 96 degrees or something, and then I can start the bike again. And see, the problem is I'm on a highway. I was 60-70 kilometers away from Bangalore and this problem started. Now I'm trying to go back home. I was on a ride on 26th January ride with my group, but then now I'm stuck at 70 kilometers away from Bangalore. I'm just stuck. Okay, I'll try to start the bike again and let's see what happens. It still shows high coolant temperature. Okay, let me start it. Okay, the bike starts. Let me roll. I'm sure it won't let me go past 5000 rpm. It'll just stutter. So I will try to keep it below 5000 rpm, and let's see. Let's hope for the best. Hopefully I can reach home, and then yeah, I'm going to call my mechanic and ask him to come and pick the bike, and I'll ask him to fix it. I'm not sure what is the issue. So it still shows high coolant temperature. So I'm going to shut the bike off, and because it's a downhill, I can just roll. So I have no clue what is going on here. So yeah, any of you guys, have you ever faced this issue? If you did, please comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Dynamo Rider signing out. Ciao.